Garage door repair is not always easy in Arlington, TX, especially with complex systems or safety-sensitive components. While basic tasks like lubricating hinges may be manageable, repairs involving springs or openers often require professional tools and expertise. Common garage door issues in Arlington include broken springs, misaligned tracks, faulty openers, and weather-related wear. These vary in complexity, with some being simple and others hazardous to fix without training. The North Texas climate adds challenges, as heat, humidity, and shifting soil contribute to part deterioration and door misalignment. This makes professional evaluation even more important for long-term performance. Some DIY repairs like sensor cleaning or bolt tightening are safe, but spring or cable issues pose serious risks. Specialized tools and safety knowledge are essential for even moderate repairs. Warning signs like grinding noises, unresponsive openers, or a door off track indicate deeper problems that require immediate attention from a qualified technician. Delaying repairs can cause minor issues to escalate, potentially damaging the door system or shortening opener lifespan, especially under Arlington's intense heat. Local experts understand regional door types, weather effects, and soil movement, factors that impact repair effectiveness and long-term reliability. Ultimately, while some garage door maintenance is safe to do yourself, many repairs in Arlington are best handled by trained professionals who can ensure safety, compliance, and durability.